what you're going to do, how to cook for the perfect T-bone steak. So the first thing, you have to preheat the non-stick skillet over medium to high heat. You want to make sure to make it slightly hot. Now you're going to take a T-bone steak. It depends how many or how much steak that you want to it. Now I have only bought the beef steak. It's brought from the, this is the butcher shop for the beef steak. You have to, for grilling or boiling that, to keep refrigerated. Now the recipe on the back, you can always peel it. Look at this one. Make sure you what it says for it. You can make your own steak if you can. Get nice and head for about beef steak. But I'm just want to make sure to save those. I don't want to do it that way. Now you want to take the T-bone steak. And you can see those, the butcher's plastic wrap. Close it tightly. I'm going to reopen it. Alright, I have only 2 of the T-bone steak. Now, if there's any watery onto the meat, we're going to use the paper towel to dry off the excess because we don't want it in turn be on a gravy steak. Just dry it patly. Doesn't get any gray. Alright, once the pan is just slightly hot, we're going to put in any type of cooking oil. I'm going to use with the extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to see how much you have here for it because I have only 2 of the T-bone steak. Probably around 2 or 3 tablespoons, I guess. Just add some butter. I'm going to use it with salted butter. Oh, just going to swirl the pan around. Alright, you're going to carefully plop the steak in the hot pan. Slow down. There you go. I have only 2 of the steak because I'm going to see how many I'm going to make it for. Now you want to cook the steak until you get no longer pain. If you know how long the steak can cook for, approximately like about 4, 5, 6, or 7 minutes. Either medium, medium well, or even well done. Alright, I'm going to see how they're going for the steak. I'm just using the tongs to carefully just flip it over. I don't want to get splattering with the hot oil. Oh, it's really heavy too. Flipping the steak over. Let me try the best way. It's really easy to using with the wooden stir-frying spoon. Because it doesn't scratch on the skillet. If you can, you can throw in some garlic cloves. We're going to cook this for both sides. We do the same. As you can see, the steak is not overcooked. If you can add something for your favorite herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, parsley, even like I'm going to be using Italian seasoning. Sprinkle it right over because it's going to be great. I think this is about just almost a perfect turnout together. Hopefully, I got it control with the burnt. Don't burn the garlic, alright? Hopefully it's going to taste great of the steak. Here it is, just like that one. Once the steak is almost completely done, we're going to put this onto the cutting board. And we're just going to give this to a slice to see how they turns. Hopefully this is almost ready for it. I'm just giving you guys for a close-up. Here's the steaks is almost turns well done, perfectly great. Alright guys, and that's how you cook a perfect T-bone steak. We'll be ready to go for it. I love those well done because this is going to be really the best one. And the T-bone, I could mark it down. I slice it with a very sharp knife. I hope this is going to be so delicious, and if you're interested that you're going to love to cook about the T-bone steak, leave me a comment below. I hope you guys enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.